Okay, so pakita ko lang kung paano mag-verified pro na tag dito sa Rocket PH. So, dito sa baba, pinakababa, punta kayo sa Help Center. Tapos, usually most popular articles, and then click mo yung how do I get verified badge. So, nandito yung mga requirements niya. So, for service providers, complete your profile to 100%, upload a clear profile picture, include a relevant and appealing cover photo, write a comprehensive and informative bio that highlights your roles, offer your services including samples, provide a link to your curriculum vitae or portfolio, socials, or any proof that demonstrates your abilities and experiences in your chosen roles. For product sellers naman, complete Rocket Ship profile, upload a clear profile picture, include a relevant and appealing cover photo, write a comprehensive and informative bio, offer your products including samples, provide a link to your curriculum vitae or portfolio, social media profiles, or any proof that demonstrates your abilities and experiences. If your product is related to your roles or services, you should have relevant experience demonstrated through past work, testimonials, or relevant documentation if applicable. Products must align with our Rocket content guidelines and not contain inappropriate, harmful, or offensive content. They must comply with all legal and ethical requirements, including copyright and intellectual property rights. Must provide at least one proof of customer satisfaction or sales. So, what's the benefits of having a pro badge? So, a verified pro badge that displays on your Rocket Ship, showing clients or buyers that you are a trusted Rocketeer. Your Rocket Ship will receive priority placement on the Discover page and Marketplace when clients or buyers search your talents in your specific role or product category. Ibig sabihin, mas mauna siya lagi. So, pag napansin mo, pag nag-open ka ng Rocket Ship, pag naghahanap ka ng mga editors or whatever services or products you need, ang mauuna is yung may ID verified tsaka yung verified pro badge. Sa ngayon, wala pang ID verified ulit kasi naayos daw nila yung system, pero yung verified pro badge yung pwede natin gawin. So, to request for a verified pro badge, kindly submit your Rocket Ship link in our support chat widget in the lower right corner of the page. So, ito yun. Pero pakita ko muna yung profile ko. So, yeah. So, yan siya. Sabi kasi dito, complete your profile. So, kinomplete ko lang. Kapag naman hindi kompleto, parang may lalabas dito na hindi kompleto yung profile mo. Tapos, upload a clear profile picture. So, ito na yung in-upload ko. And then, include a relevant and appealing cover photo. Hindi ko sure kung medyo appealing to, pero relevant siya sa akin kasi transcription services yung gagawin ko. So, ito siya. Andito siya lahat. Yung mga clients ko, and then yung transcribe ko na image. So, yun din yung nilagay ko dun sa services ko. Tapos, write a comprehensive and informative bio that highlights your roles. So, ito siya. Nilagay ko yan if you have heard about Multitude Productions, Shubs Creations. Ayun yung mga few of the podcast that I transcribe. So, nilist down ko lang dito ulit sila. Yan. Tapos, so, provide a link to your curriculum vitae or portfolio, socials, and any proof that demonstrates your abilities, experiences, and your chosen roles. So, hindi ko pala nalagay dito yung CV ko, pero meron akong socials. Yan. Dito ko nalagay siya. Siguro, yung sa akin, nilagay ko lang yung LinkedIn, hindi ko na nilagay yung pinaka-Facebook ko. Yung parang ginawa ko lang na page for, bagong-bago lang tong page na to. Pero nilagay ko na lang din siya para in case sa future. Pero hindi ko na nilagay yung Instagram ko kasi personal naman yon. Itong YouTube, lalagay ko siguro eventually. TikTok, personal din siya. Twitter, personal. Ito, personal lang din. Wala ko niyan. Pang-gaming ko to. Tapos, wala ko niyan. So, yan. Hindi naman kailangan lahat meron kasi na-verify pala na ako kahit wala yan. So, wala. Kung meron kanyang mga ibang yan, lagay mo na din sila. website. Naka-down yung website ko ngayon kaya hindi ko na lang din nilagay. Personal lang din yung sa akin. Tapos, so, kung na-fulfill mo na yung lahat, pindutin mo lang to, yung nasa lower right ng page. And then, ang nilagay ko dito, pangalan ko, email address. Tapos, nilagay ko lang na requesting to verify, to have a verified pro badge. Then, link dun sa Racket page ko, which is makikita mo siya kapag dito. Pwedeng yan. Yan. Copy mo lang siya dyan, then paste, then send message. So, sa messages naman, pag na-send mo na dito, punta ka sa email mo, makikita mo is parang verify nila na nakuha nila yung request mo. So, we're working on your request and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Nakalagay dito Monday to Friday, 9 to 9, Philippine time. Pero, na-receive ko yung email na verified ako at 10 p.m. So, wala naman siyang, I don't think that matters. Pero, nag-send ako ng application ng 8. So, 2 hours lang. Naging okay na siya. So, yan. You just got your verified pro badge on Racket PH. You're one of the few to qualify for this award, which comes with a cool badge on your profile to make you stand out. So, yun din naman yung nakalagay kanina. Tapos, nag-thank you lang ako. Makikita mo siya dito. Ayan. So, supposedly, sa lahat ng mga compared sa walang verified pro, to meron, mauna ako pag nag-upload ako. So, ayan. Thank you for watching. Kung kailangan nyo ng transcription services, email nyo lang ako sa kmcastlebusiness@gmail.com. Nagtatranscribe ako ng podcast, ng lectures, ng meetings, tsaka mga voice notes mo. I have a team na para kaya na kahit gaano kadami yung i-transcribe is kailangan i-transcribe is magagawa natin in a timely manner. Hindi siya masyadong rush, pero tingnan natin, mag-usapan natin yan. Thank you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.